One thing I've noticed that makes someone's English sound a lot more natural is the use or misuse of words like a, an, and the. In English, we call these articles, and I have seen people with a great vocabulary. They could talk about lots of things, but they misuse these simple words. They're so small, but it changes everything in their English conversation. So today, we're going to look at them and make it a little bit easier for you. Hi, I'm Phil. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to share a few English tips with you, just like I share with my students here at Mayak in the Czech Republic. So what is an article? They're words like a, an, and the, and they help to define a noun as either specific or non-specific. In English, we say that there are two types of these articles. There's definite and indefinite. So take this sentence as an example. After the long trip, the cup of coffee was just what I needed. So it tells me that there was a specific trip and this exact cup of coffee was just what I needed. It's specific, but I can change it by using a different article. After a long trip, a cup of coffee is just what I need. So most of the words are the same, but I change it a little to make a general statement. Not this exact cup of coffee and this exact trip, but generally after a long trip, a cup of coffee is just what I need. These are different ways that we can use these articles to completely change the sentence. Now let's look specifically at the definite articles. Specific because definite articles are specific. Okay? So I'm at school, so I'm going to ask someone for something. Please give me the paper. Please give me the white paper with lines. Please give me the pencil. Please give me the skinny pencil. Please give me the pencil and the paper. Everything I just said used a definite article, the. It was a specific paper, a specific kind of paper, and same with the pencil. And then I want both of them. I want the specific paper and the specific pencil. Definite articles help to define specifically. Now, indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are not specific, and we can use a or an. A is used before a consonant sound, and an is used before a vowel sound. So let's look at some examples. Please hand me a cup. Any cup will do. Please hand me an umbrella. Any umbrella will do. I don't care which umbrella or which cup it is. Just hand me a cup or an umbrella. Any one that you find. Other examples. Should I bring a gift to the party? My friend that I'm asking knows that I'm not talking about some specific gift, but just generally. Should I bring a gift to the party? Would you like a hamburger? Any hamburger. Would you like a hamburger? That was an easy question. An easy question because the next word, easy, starts with a vowel sound. So we have an easy question. My brother is an English teacher. He's not the only one. He's not the best one. He's just one of many in his profession. So he is an English teacher. A tricky part can be choosing whether to use a or an in your sentence, because we're not talking about the actual vowel or the consonant that follows, but instead the vowel sound or the consonant sound that follows that word, a or an. This is the important part. Take the word honest. Honest, you hear, it starts with a vowel sound, honest. But if you spell it, there's an H. But just because there's a consonant, H, does not mean we use a. In fact, we need to use an honest. An honest. Because we start with a vowel sound. So we don't say, my mother is a honest woman. It's kind of difficult to say a honest woman. More naturally and correct is, my mother is an honest woman. My mother is an honest woman. The opposite is also true. We don't say he is an United States Senator because the U in United States, of course, is a vowel, but it actually it starts with a Y sound, more of a consonant sound. So the correct way to say this is, he is a United States Senator. He is a United States Senator. It also works like this with abbreviations, and these are a little funny, a little tricky, maybe a little modern, but it's the way that English works. How about LCD display. LCD display. I see an L, but the way that we pronounce it is starting with a vowel L. So an LCD display. An LCD display. UK-based company. He works for a UK-based company. A UK-based company. HR department. I need to talk to somebody in the world who works here in this HR department. So I say, I need to talk to someone in an HR department. An HR department. Finally, URL. So I need to find a URL because a URL. I hope you've had a good time today and it's been a good review. If you've enjoyed this and it's brought you some help and hope on your English journey, please like it and subscribe, and there are a lot more videos like this one. Thanks.